wireless monitors project was the result of cooperation between the U.S. company Dell Inc. and its Israeli partner Screenovate Technologies Ltd. The project aims to allow full functionality and connection between a PC and a desk monitor without the need of any wire. Other breakthrough functionalities of the project include concurrent connections to numerous devices, security and privacy measures, and compatibility with multiple operating systems. The wireless monitor supports connection of any device running Windows and a simultaneous second connection of any device running Android. These connections meet a set of predetermined KPIs, key performance indicators, such as low latency and audio-video sync. The combined result allows the user to mirror a Windows device to the monitor in full screen, while the Android device is mirrored to a floating window.